Step 1, go to Google Chrome. Step 2, type youtube.com. Step 3, click on three dots above your channel icon. Now the fourth step is to click the third last option, that is desktop site. Step 5, click on your channel icon. Step 6, click on your channel. Step 7, click customize channel. Step 8, click content icon. Step 9, video on which there is a copyright claim. Then slightly shift your video if you are operating a mobile phone. Step 10, click on copyright claim. Step 11, click on see details. Now here just slightly push left side, then here three dots are available. Click on these three dots, then you can choose out of three options: trim out segment, replace song, mute song. So here I would like to replace the song. Trim out section means you are completely trimming out that section. Mute song means you are just muting the song, and the replace song means you are completely replacing the song. So I want to replace the song. Now after that, one window will appear here, and here are various songs. You can choose any one of them. Click here for example. So I will choose any of these songs, and then I will click add, then I will click save. But here I am not saving this song, I will save any other song. So I am going for discard option. So friends, hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further notification. And your support is essential, that will motivate me to make further videos. Thank you friends, thank you very much, take care, goodbye. दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।